Hey guys, welcome back. I got Nonlinearkitty here. We're going to do a couple more raids. We're going to head into customs, try and get that bronze pocket watch that is always such a nightmare to get on PvP, and we'll go from there. We'll probably do a couple more raids after that, and if we succeed, and we will see how that goes. Hope you guys enjoy. Have you ever cut yourself on the inside of your nose?
What? No?
No? You've never had any incident where you accidentally drew blood from the inside of your nose and it was super sensitive and it's extremely painful to blow your nose?
No.
Well, let me tell you, it is not fun and it hurts like hell. So, remember how I was talking about the goons yesterday? The trio of people that will just absolutely delete you.
Yep.
They can also spawn on this map. Um, this is a very good spawn for where we want to go.
Sorry, I was just writing a work email that I just realized absolutely had to be sent today.
No worries. Oh, Jesus.
What that?
That's the armor repair kit that is super heavy.
Oh,
That I'm going to drop here at the corner. We're going to head up here to the left.
are we gonna come back here?
Potentially. Potentially.
Yeah, I was reading the guide where he just says as soon as you get into a fight, or you think you're gonna get into a fight, drop your backpack.
Yep.
It's like, oh,
You drop your
interesting.
backpack to give you more to reduce your weight.
Yep.
Yep. It's also loud. So if you think you have the drop on someone, you don't drop your backpack. If you both know that you're there, then you drop it. So this is called dorms. This is dorms 3-story here. The car extract is to our left, except it is not up. Um, I'm going to go to second floor here.
Should I go third?
I don't think you can. I think it's,
Nope,
yeah.
can't.
So if you just want to, I don't remember exactly where the key is. Um,
Found some good old fashioned vodka. Is it
head
gonna
to
be sitting
room.
out or in a searchable thing?
Uh, will be in a searchable thing. It says head to room 205, which is going to be down this hallway. 204, 206, 205. I got the key.
Uh, is it an instance, do you think? Or
No, it's a server. It's server for sure. okay. I got him. I got him. I heard another yell somewhere. Yep.
There may be more people underneath us.
I got him. I got him. I got him. I didn't top off my ammo.
What do you use?
5.5. It's okay. I have enough. I have enough. I have enough.
Okay, because I brought extra mags this time. Because I realized I got one from insurance.
I have a ton of mags, and I still have 60 rounds. I'm just carrying a little bit less than I normally do. It's okay. Alright. We're going to go out this way. Go out in the rain. So there are sniper scavs that exist, by the way. They're usually up in the highest spot. Oh, he saw me. I got him. I think there's another scav, but I can't see shit. It's raining so hard. I hope you like this map because we'll have to come back to it a lot. Another sniper scav spot is right there. Sorry. We got him. Sorry. Now, this is the area where if the goons are up... Oh, that's not good. If the goons are up, they will most likely see us, so... I'm going to do my best to open this door for us. And the pocket watch be on the floorboard, or on the floor of it. Alright, we actually... We want to go further down now. We don't want to go back the way that we came. So we're going to head down where we came in. Love to grab that repair kit, but honestly I would just be too heavy and not what we're going for right now. You need to pack any mags?
No, I got 2 more.
Okay. We'll look up ahead a little bit. We're coming up on a place called New Gas. It is the new gas station. There's almost definitely going to be some people here. The boss could also be here. looking kind of safe. Oh,
Where'd he go? Did he go back
yeah,
in?
he went inside. Yeah, he went inside. He said. I see. We can loot inside.
Yeah, it is.
Yep. He said. Ouch. He's in the bushes. I can't see him. I don't know where he went. You okay?
Yeah, I don't know where he's firing.
I'm behind you. I'm with you. I'm with you. I'm with you.
I don't think he's pushing.
I'll pack some ammo real quick.
There's a guy far on the road.
Nade.
I don't think it was a nade.
What the? Alright, looks like we're okay. That was at me. What?
I don't know. I hear him like right here, and I just see nothing. Oh, it's a dead body. Just making sure.
I'm gonna throw a nade. Make a move.
Dude, someone's like shooting at me and I just don't know what to do.
I got him. I got him. I got him.
I think I got the only guy to the road, I think.
Pack some ammo if you need to.
Should be okay.
Alright. I think we can loot these bodies somewhat safely. Oh, your armor is on this guy. Got him.
Holy shit.
Jesus.
Oh my god. Thank you, sweet. Dorm 206, we need that for something else, right? I think that was the one for the water. So, or was it 306? I remember it was something 06 because I had 03 and it was super close.
Oh, you got it. You got it. It's the one we need. It's the one we need.
Are we close enough to do it on this run? Oh, close.
We got him. There's a guy up top left. Yes, we are close enough, I think.
I just dropped my mag somehow. I pulled out my mag without loading a new one. I thought I hit Alt P, but I think I hit Alt R. You think we're close enough to go back?
Yes, I think we are.
23 minutes.
They're both dead. How's your food and water looking?
Yeah, I'm gonna need some tasting soon.
Okay.
Oh shit, that took water? What does vodka give?
I wouldn't take vodka. Yeah.
What the?
How are you on ammo?
Fine.
Okay.
Probably should repack in a second, but I can wait till dorms.
Okay.
Just gonna repack real quick.
I'm dead.
Also, so I have a compass. How do I use that?
It's not the most friendly. Put a number to it and then press that number, and that'll pull it out for you.
Gotcha. Yeah, that sucks. Oh, terrible, but
So this is 202, 204, and then 206 is down on this side, by the way.
yep.
I think I just heard something down
Yeah.
on the first floor, maybe. Yep.
That was it. That's just the only thing in here.
Yep.
But what if I wanted water?
Yeah. I'm coming up, by the way. Right. We're gonna go out where we came in. Jesus. I knew I heard him for a moment, but like, oh,
I hear someone else.
front.
Yeah, I think. I just passed the other guy, so to the right. I honestly don't know where that was from.
Yeah, I think it was to our right a little bit. Up and to the right.
Yeah, in those hills. I just don't see anyone.
This is one of the locations the boss can spawn. Those that dorms area that we were at is another location that the boss can spawn in.
Is that at you?
No, that's either a PMC or a sniper scav. A little unlikely to be a sniper scav, I think. I can't see that. It's down there by the concrete wall.
Are we going down there? Would be great if I didn't suck.
He said,
It was an easy kill.
He take a couple shots.
I just missed a lot.
Jesus. I'm looting this guy right here. There's a key that has a spawn back here in a trunk. I'm just going to try to see if it's there for a moment. It's a very expensive quest key, or at least it was like a month or so ago. So I'm going to see if it spawned. It didn't. But that's okay.
Topographical maps. Oh,
Nice. We have a couple dead scavs over here, by the way.
Kill him.
You got him?
Did not. Hit him
Okay.
once.
We're close to extract.
Alright.
Okay. We're safe.
Oh god, that was not worth it. Why do certain things just fuck your thirst? No, whatever.
You gotta inspect it. What did you eat? Did you eat conditioned milk?
Condensed milk, I assume it is.
Yeah. Sorry, not conditioned. Condensed, yeah. Jesus. Complete.
What are maps? Anything? Look it up.
I usually sell maps.
Believe it or not, looking up Tarkov maps does not get you what you want.
You have to look up
Survey
topographic.
maps or
Yeah.
something. Yeah. Intelligence Center. Oh, so you do actually need one.
They usually sell for around like 30-ish K, 30, 50K on the flea market. That
Ah,
one's fun.
eliminate operatives with pistols.
That's a factory one. That's where you go in with like a pistol and some light armor, and you just like run around with a pistol and try and kill the PMCs. You don't have to. You can run in like fully kitted and whatnot, but I like to run in with just a pistol and have fun.
I'd be down to do the factory pistol thing, honestly.
Yeah, that is one of the most fun that I enjoy. Uh, I'm gonna buy I'm gonna buy this M1911 from Peacekeeper so that I start getting some money pushed towards him.
Does it come with a mag? So should I buy like two
Yes,
more?
it comes with a mag, but I would buy maybe more than two, maybe three.
Three more. And then what's the best ammo? Fuck.
Yep,
One ammo.
that is the only thing that you can afford or that you're able to
60.
buy.
Sounds good.
Just so you know, there is the round in the chamber mechanic. So right now, if you were to spawn in, you would be 6 out of 7 ammo. Just to let you know, because one
Can
round
I
gets
load
eaten.
it and then
Yes.
unload it?
Tr-
And then,
Uh,
oh,
you don't have to unload it. Drag the bullets to it. There you go. There are several quests. There's at least a couple that require you to go into factory, but there are also a few others that are like, oh, get bolt action rifle kills within like with less than 40 meters or something. And it's like, oh, well, if I'm going to do that, I'm going to go into factory because, I want to kill PMCs within 40 meters, and factory's the smallest map. So there are a couple times where you'll get to go into factory and just kind of like have fun. We're going to sprint over here.
wow, you 80 is so fast. I'm going up.
Gav, you went down below. Oh my. Scav got me.
Down below, or underneath
Yep, if you
this
go to your
thing?
right, if you go to your right and you go down the. I think there's another.
I think I accidentally hit R twice. Yeah. So can I not drag an extra? No.
No.
Ah, damn, what killed me? Was there another guy up there?
Potentially.
Well, I think I killed one. That was a perfect moment. There were just three guys sprinting at me. Yeah, I got one.
You can also, by the way, if you don't want to go hunting for ammo, if you want to, you can right click a mag and hit load ammo, or well, just hover
Oh,
over it
yeah. And it
and
will
it'll
show you
tell
all
you.
the ones. Yeah, I've seen
Yeah.
that before. Okay, so now
There's
I should
also, I will say, there's also, uh, like if you're saving ammo, like those 17 rounds that you have there, you can right click and top up. Top up means you just top up the ammo, and it will pull from anywhere
Oh,
in
if you
your.
have that same one. Oh, yeah, that would have been useful a couple times.
It works if remember how we were talking about found in raid versus not found in raid and like why it doesn't automatically stack with each other.
Yeah.
If you have found in raid ammo and you have non-found in raid ammo, but it's the same kind, same type, like the same 5.56 or pistol ammo or what have you, you cannot top up with it. It will not stack it. You have to, unfortunately, go find it and then drag it.
So worth to get the soft armor at 30k.
Yeah, I'm running it.
Oh, it's gonna be ready soon. I'm so thirsty and my water's empty. Okay.
It's still matching. You have time. You have time. It's when the back uh, clickable thing goes away. Oh, we are now loading in. We are in.
Oh no, we're in the exit.
I like
aren't
this
we?
spot. I like this spot actually.
Oh, on the thing in front of us? Oh yeah.
Yep.
Ooh, to the right, PMC.
Ну чё ты там стонешь?
I thought it was PMC. Someone was wearing a helmet
Yes.
and looked pretty geared.
Helmet.
It wasn't that
Helmet.
guy.
Ну чё,
Get,
пацанчики, ну-ка
get rid of
подойдите
the
сюда
helmet.
ко мне.
Ah, I hit his armor. It
Uh,
got entirely absorbed by armor. Damn, what's up?
Я тут ходом, блядь, ебашь его!
ow.
Вон оно пыль! Ты куда пошел?
Yeah, goddamn, that tactical rig is insane.
Oh yeah.
Was that one of the armored ones?
Yep. Yes, it is. A lot of bodies here, so I am just going to try and head towards the extract. I got 2 PMC kills, I think. So I'm just hopping out. And since it's your last one, I don't want to stay in here for like 12 years.
Woof, woof. See ya.
Catch you later, Noah. And I will catch you guys later as well. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed.